I'm Denny Lang, a professional guide with over 20 years of canoe experience, here today to talk to you about basic canoe identification. Today we will be using the Old Town Appellation to demonstrate the parts of a typical canoe. First, we're going to start with the bow versus the stern. The bow of the canoe is the front and can easily be determined by noticing the seats. The bow seat has much more space between the front of the canoe and the seat, whereas the stern seat is located much closer to the back of the boat. Another basic part of the canoe is the hull, or the bottom of the canoe. Now this is what's going to make contact with the water when you're paddling. As we move to the top of the canoe, you'll see the deck plate. This is designed to protect the top of the material and can also double as a handle. Many of today's canoes now integrate a separate handle into the deck plate, which is one of the ways you can carry a canoe on land. Next, I would like to discuss the gunnel. The gunnel runs the length of the canoe from the stern to the bow, protecting the canoe's materials. These can be made with vinyl, wood, and even aluminum materials, and also provide a mounting surface to mount things like the seats, thwarts, and yokes. Next, we're going to discuss seats, where we sit when we're canoeing. There are many types of seats available, such as webbing, which uses a wood frame and nylon webbing. There's also cane, using a wood frame. And then also molded plastic seats, which can offer things such as a backrest for support. Let's discuss seat parts in more detail. Most seats are mounted using bolts, dowels, and nuts. Dowels are spacer pieces between the gunnel and the seat. Dowels come in different sizes, which allow seats to be mounted at different heights for the best center of gravity. Now we will discuss the thwarts. Thwarts are mounted to the gunnels to provide added structural support for the canoe so it retains its shape. There are multiple types of thwarts, such as a standard straight thwart, and then also the center portage yoke, which one can use to carry the canoe solo. Now to recap our basic canoe part identification, we have our bow, our stern, the hull of the canoe, the deck, handle, gunnel, seat, seat dowels, thwart, and portage yoke. Thanks for watching and paddle well.